Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9 Foundation of Mathematics chapter Surds, and this is our part 7. So in this part we are going to learn about rationalization of surds. We'll solve some few examples and then we'll see the successive rationalization. So, question is rationalize the denominator root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus root 3. So we have to rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. The numbers will be same, but just the sign will change. So in numerator also we'll multiply with 2 minus root 3. We'll get root 3 in bracket 2 minus root 3 plus 1 in bracket 2 minus root 3 upon 2 whole square minus root 3's whole square. This denominator is by identity. I have applied this. We'll get 2 root 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3, and this is minus 1 upon 2 square is 4 minus 3 square is 3, means this will be 1. 1 means nothing. So we have rationalized the denominator and our final answer is this, root 3 minus 1. Now successive rationalization means before that we'll solve one question more, that is 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5. We have to rationalize the denominator, so we'll multiply whole by its rationalizing factor, that would be 3 minus 2 root 5. Three minus root 5 into 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 3's whole square minus 2 root 5's whole square. 3 square is 9 and 2 root 5's whole square means 2 root 5 into 2 root 5. 2 into 2 will be 4, 5, root 5 into root 5 will be 5. This is 20 minus 20. Now we'll multiply this. The answer will be, by multiplying the answer we'll get will be 9 minus 6 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 10 upon minus 11. 10 plus 9 is 19. Minus 6 root 5 minus 3 root 5. These are like terms, so this is minus 9 root 5 upon minus 11. So most of the time the denominator is positive, so this minus sign will shift to the numerator like this. So the numerator will get equal to minus 19 plus 9 root 5 upon 11, that is 9 root 5 minus 19 upon 11. Now the successive rationalization is the important and a bit difficult topic, that is successive rationalization. If a compound surd is present in the denominator, we should rationalize successively till we get a rational number in the denominator. Example 1 upon a plus root b plus root c. Here a compound surd is present in the denominator and we should rationalize the denominator twice to get the rational number. So let's rationalize. The question is, so in front you can see a question, that is 4 upon 2 plus root 3 minus root 7. We have to rationalize the denominator, but you can see the difficulty in this question, that is the denominator is having 3 terms, but normally we only know that how to rationalize the 2 terms. First of all, note that you can't do like this, plus root 7 multiplied by both the sides. It's not like this. This is the wrong method. As this is 3 terms, we can make it like 2 terms. Like, we will take this as a term A and this as the term B. So multiply now. Two plus root 3. As we have put this in bracket, we will not change its sign, the bracket signs. Plus root 7. We'll change the other numbers sign. 2 plus root 3 in bracket plus root 7. Like this. Now we'll simplify this bracket later, because maybe we can simplify it while the middle of the solving. We can cut it. 4 into 2 plus root 3 plus root 7 upon, this will be like the identity a plus b. A minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 2 plus root 3 whole square minus root 7's whole square. 2 plus root 3's whole square is 4 into 2 plus root 3 plus root 7 upon 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 7 minus 7. is the simplification of the denominator. Now 4 plus 3 is 7 and this is minus 7. So we can cut this. Remaining is 4 root 3. This cutted will leave it like this. Now as this denominator is not completely rationalized till now, so the thing we are going to do is we'll multiply again the numerator and denominator by root 3. Here first of all this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So this will be like 2 plus root 3 plus root 7 into root 3 upon 3. The simplification of this will be 2 root 3 plus 3 plus root 21 upon 3. Or else till this only. This will be the complete rationalization. First of all, we have rationalized by 2 plus root 3 in bracket plus root 7, and another time it became like successive rationalization, and we have multiplied again to make the denominator rationalize with root 3. I hope you've understood till this. Remember that if the question is like this, 1 upon root 3 minus root 2 minus 1, the all signs are negatives, so no problem, we just have to take this as the term A and this as term B. Then we have to rationalize this like multiply root 3 minus root 2 will be as it is because it's in the bracket plus 1, and over here root 3 minus root 2 and again plus 1, like this. This is your work, you have to simplify this. Again this will be held in the successive rationalization only. Every time two number will be in a root and another will be normal rationalized. I hope you've understood till this. I'll tell the answer of this question, that is minus in bracket 2 plus root 2 plus root 6 upon 4, or else you can write as root 6 plus root 2 plus 2 upon minus 4. This is also the correct answer. If you got any of this answer, your answer will be correct. I hope you have understood till this. Let's meet in another part with more examples, and we'll see the new topic in another part, that will be the comparison of surds. I hope you've understood till now. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 8. Like this is the foundation of class 9th mathematics. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th of all subjects, foundation subjects. Please go and check through the description. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.